Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. Welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today? I'm so glad you asked. We're doing some makeup today to celebrate either your Halloween or your holiday queen look or anything else in between. Halloween is right around the corner, so maybe we'll make this a mosh posh and a blend of both. But you know what to do. Grab your beverage, let go. All right, so what y'all sipping on over there for this tutorial this fine day? Well, you know what I'm still sipping on, child. I'm still working on this Halloween snatchback body, so haha, H2O is my middle name, at least until Halloween, child. I can't wait for the snatcherization. In the meantime, though, grab your cocktail and let's get started. Now, I'm excited, and let me tell you why I'm excited. I have some new products from the MAC Frosted Fireworks Holiday Collection. So I'm also gonna do a swatching video and we'll talk about it more in detail, but I love this. Look at this shadow. This one is called Silver Bells. This is an extra dimension foil eyeshadow by MAC. So it's super pigmented, it's super smooth and silky. And then this one is called Cooler Than Being Cool. And it's a little hard to see, but it's white and it has like this beautiful like pink pearl built into it. So yummy. So I figure oftentimes, especially being a black boy joy and a little melanated, it's kind of intimidating to wear silver and like this white pinkish pearl type of eyeshadow. So I'm gonna show you how to use this. In addition, y'all wanna see something yummy? Come closer. Ooh, 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 ooh. This highlight, look at her. You know, I don't like to be called dramatic, but in this case, I will, because this is called Flair for the Dramatic. Look at this. So we're gonna use a little bit of this today, and we're gonna also make sure this look is popping with MAC's new dual-ended eyeliner. This one is called Dark Spark and Bitter and Glitter. Honey, why be bitter when you could just stun and glitter? So we're gonna use this eyeliner as well, and we're gonna finish off with the classic, the best lip gloss, and we're gonna use clear lip gloss on our lips and maybe someplace extra for a little pop effect. So before we get started, y'all know everything that I use today will be in the description of this video. So if you see something, if you like something, make notes, but also just check out the description and I'll even post the link. So if you feel so inclined, click the link and you can go straight to MAC Cosmetics and buy the products, okay? So first up, we're gonna utilize the Dark Spark and Bitter and Glitter PowerPoint pencil. Love this because it's long wearing. So I'm not gonna do necessarily an eyeshadow primer, but I'm gonna start first with coating my eye with the black side of this pencil. So I think for this tutorial, we'll just use one side and it'll be the black side, the dark side, honey, this Dark Spark. And we're gonna do a nice, healthy coat of liner right at the lash line and a quarter of the lid. So it should look like this. A short fluffy brush. And before this starts to kind of dry, because this is a long wearing liner, we're gonna start to move this around to create the shadow. And we're building this look first. Just gonna buff and blend this over the entire lid. Beautiful. And I'm actually gonna pull up a little and give myself a little contour right through here, he and me. Now that I have both eyes done, we're gonna take the liner and we're gonna go underneath into our lash line on the bottom. Not the waterline, but just in the lash line. So look up. And what I like about this pencil is it glides on super smooth. And once it sets and dries, it's long wearing. Fluffy brush. And we're just gonna go side to side and just sweep this to soften it up. I'm gonna also use a medium-sized eyeshadow brush. And we're gonna go underneath here and just move that around as well. And so the great thing about this is you wanna work in layers and in parts. It doesn't have to be perfect right away. Perfect, so we've laid the groundwork and base work of what we're doing. Now I'm gonna reserve the waterline to at the end because y'all know I got mature eyes, honey. They like the water, so I'm not gonna jump the gun just yet. Now grab your fluffy brush. I'm gonna use black eyeshadow. This is Carbon by MAC. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of carbon with a nice fluffy brush. And right at the lash line itself, I'm gonna press that on. And I'm just gonna sweep this across the lid and up into the socket. So we're working in layers. So the eyeliner itself is giving us the base to build this. The eyeshadow is giving us a little bit more depth, and it's setting this eyeliner. And I'm just gonna take whatever's left and just kind of pull this all the way up. So it's not gonna be super, super perfect, but it's gonna give us just a nice sultry effect. Smaller brush, carbon, we're gonna go underneath. I like to start in the center to lay the product first so it doesn't get super concentrated and dark on one corner versus the other. If you start in the center, you can then evenly disperse it. How we looking? Oh, this is a look already in and of itself. Yes. Y'all know I love a good old smoky eye, honey. Now, notice that I've kind of kept the inner corner here and here clean of the black, and that's because we're gonna pop a little something extra in the inner corner. All right, let's take a sip. Next up, I'm gonna take a short brush, my short fluffy brush, grab a little bit more carbon. I'm gonna press this on the lid right through the center because I want it to be nice and dark against the root of the lash. Silver Bells looks like this. It's nice and silver, beautiful pewter. I'm gonna take my flat eyeshadow brush, Silver Bell, right in the center, pressing it, wiggling. We're gonna press and release. Oh my gosh. My sweet gherkins. I'm gonna take that, and I like to press and release so that way we don't get a lot of fallout. And I'm just gonna pull this straight up over the ball of the eye, up into the brow, towards the brow, just like this. Yes. What do you guys think so far? Here's where it's gonna get fun. I'm gonna take Smolder Eyeliner by MAC because this is a kohl. It's nice and creamy, and we're gonna now go in and we're gonna halo this. So right on the outer corner, inner, and I'm gonna even sneak this in on the lash line up top to make my lashes appear thicker and darker. Take your fluffy brush, soften that smolder up so it's nice and dark right at the lash line to sandwich it in. Makes it look more intense. Boom. Grab that fluffy brush with a little bit of carbon just on top to set it very lightly. Go back with your Silver Bells just to make it pop. Yes. You can ring my Silver Bell. Now I'm gonna take Cooler Than Being Cool with my pencil brush. And right in here, we're gonna press this in. Look how pretty that is. We're gonna do the smolder in the waterline finally to really darken this up and bring the look together. Since I already had on foundation and concealer, I'm just gonna take a little bit more concealer just to kind of clean up on the outskirts. I'm gonna maintain the shape here though. We're gonna set that with a little bit of Studio Fix powder. I'm gonna even bump up this contour because you know it is a Halloween or a holiday queen. Here's where it gets fun. The Flare for Dramatic, yes, please, sign me up. Fan brush, please. And we're gonna just sneak that through here. Look, because this formula is so silky, look how gorgeous this glow is. It looks expensive, it looks rich. A little bit of clear lip gloss. Gotta love a glassy lip. Here's the trick. So we got our lip gloss on. Yes, stare into this looking glass of a lip, but here's where I love, love, love to use gloss. We're gonna take a little bit of clear lip gloss, flat brush, and right over that silver, yes, this turns into a glossy eyelid. Oh my sweet gherkins. That's what I say. Is it a Halloween look or is it a holiday look? I love this. Oh, yes. I'm gonna curl my lashes. In fact, I probably should have curled my lashes before I put this gloss on. Gloss is always the last thing you do, people. Mascara. And because this is a nice dramatic look, we're about to chunkify this lash here. Yeah, the mascara should have been done before the gloss too. Don't judge me. I got excited for the gloss. And there you have it. Is it my holiday or my Halloween? Oh, wait, whoa. You know what? I'm not done yet. What was I thinking? This look is not nearly complete. Hold that thought. What? This old thing? Drop me a comment and tell me what you think. Does this look scream Halloween? Or does this look say that I might be the sleigh boy of the holiday ball? I don't know, but I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you like it. Whatever you decide, Halloween is right around the corner. So 1, be safe. 2, I hope you feel inspired to do this for Halloween. And 3, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and leave me a comment. Who loves you? I do. See you later, guys. Bye.